So we rope dropped today, or attempted to rope drop today. We were a little behind. We still got on a pretty early bus. Got here. The masses are still here. We're not running. We're gonna walk swiftly to the Seven Dwarfs Mine Train. So try to get that in. The kids haven't done it before. I think they'll really enjoy it. They enjoy roller coasters already. Yeah.
It's kind of, we're trying to split the day today. Hey, we're gonna do like the morning with the kids, take a break, and then it's your birthday.
It's my birthday.
And so we get to go to Beauty Beast Castle to eat tonight, and hopefully see Enchantment at the end. So it's gonna be a great day.
Already 75 minutes, and I mean, it was really not going to be a huge win for the family, so we decided to do Buzz, and well, that's what we call it. We call it Buzz, and it's going to be a big hit. We're already like straight in through the line. It's like a 5-10 minute wait, so first big win of the day, and they're going to have a blast.
How did we do?
Logan, how many points did you get?
We got 1,200 and they got...
How many?
I got 200.
200 points. Good job, dude.
And how many?
I found myself getting frustrated with Libby because all she wanted to do was spin around and around and around.
You like the spinning?
And I know
you gotta save that for the teacups.
And I went to sit down backwards.
Yeah. I know the hat, and you just kept spinning. It was the best.
Touch it?
I know we've talked about this a lot, but the collectible pennies are like such a hit with the kids. Like, we walked out of Buzz, he saw one, he was like, hey, can I get a Buzz? And it's very inexpensive, like, little souvenir you can get.
And super fun to hunt for.
Just did Buzz, like a walk-on, and the kids wanted to do Astro Orbiter. So
That's not crazy long.
it's not crazy long, so honestly for us, it's about like having great times with them, and they saw it, they were like, oh, Astro Orbiters, although I'm pretty sure they didn't like it because it was like too fast last time, but it's gonna be great. What did you say?
Just push the control number 1.
Thank you.
So I've wanted a Spirit jersey ever since we've been here. And then they came out with this 50th one. And we saw it in October. And I should have got it then. Steven told me to get it then and I didn't. So luckily it's still here. And I'm gonna get it today. Probably gonna do a wardrobe change, right?
What round are we about to go on?
Teacups.
No.
That doesn't look like teacups.
Teacups away!
So an update of our annual pass hunt. So I walked through the park, I just stopped by a annual pass holder and to where you buy it. And unfortunately, still no annual passes. So thanks Disney for, will we ever get an annual pass? That's kind of our dilemma right now, is trying to figure out if we can get an annual pass to make this thing happen.
We wanted to ride the teacups. Yes. We weren't allowed to ride the teacups because I think they thought they would get sick or we would get sick.
And then anyone would throw up.
So this is our first time riding the teacups. 37 years, and it's the first time I've ever rode teacups. We'll see if they're right.
first time on the teacups.
It's Mommy's first time. Here we go.
What are we about to do?
See princesses.
We immediately got out and the kids were like, can we go see the other princess?
The other one, and it's Cinderella.
And someone else. We don't know who.
Maybe. I think, yeah.
It's like a surprise one. So
So we're
cool.
super excited. One of the things that I either saw on social media or read on somebody's blog was that there are hidden pascals near the Rapunzel restrooms by Peter Pan and Small World. So we found them last time we were here by ourselves, and the kids have always wanted to find them, but we weren't sure. So we brought the kids over to see if they can find them now. I think there's like 6 altogether.
I found it.
Where?
Look.
Logan, what's about to happen?
Wait. It's the light.
She blew you a kiss.
What?
Logan, she blew you a kiss. You got a kiss from Belle! How's it feel to get 2 kisses blown at you by 2 princesses? Logan, this is what
Dad, what do you got?
Okay, I got some chocolate ice cream for Logan, a Coke float for Livy, some pot stickers, and the Sunset Serenade. It's like sparkling juice, Dole Whip, orange. Looks super good. You know it's good when you walk by 7 people and you hear an expletive, one, and then someone say, oh, I thought that was for us. We'll see.
No, on the ice cream cone, it's so good.
You got a Coke float and you love it?
Alright, here's my professional opinion, which I don't have an professional opinion. It needs a bigger cup.
Yeah. It's just supposed to look fancy like that.
It's
a
dainty.
celebration drink.
Yeah. But not practical. Super good though. But I also love cider. You want me to tell you which one it is?
What?
It's the princess one. It's the princess one.
When they catch
Do you want to stand up and so they can see you?
She gave you.
No, she gave Logan a kiss. He was right there. Blown a kiss from one random princess, and you hide the whole time. Logan, why are you hiding? Hey, why are you hiding?
Because the princesses kept kissing him.
So we waited all day to do the Haunted Mansion. And it had the shortest line after dinner. So it's nice and dark and already kind of like in the mood. So we just did Haunted Mansion. I loved it. Did you love it?
Yeah, because scary part is scary.
The scary part scares you, but what about the fun part?
Oh, I have one. So the ghost, it came and ran us chair, and then the ghost, it got in a wheel, and he took off the wheel, and he gave it to Donkey.
Oh, the ghost in the buggy? You love that part? Me too. It was lots of fun.
Did we we kind of made the decision that we weren't gonna like fully engage in.
Right, and these were rides that they really wanted to ride today. So we knew we would catch the fireworks somewhere, but just maybe not at a prime slot because we wanted to do the ride instead.
Ending this episode with Muffin over here and Bluey over there. It's been an awesome day. What was your favorite part, guys?
Wait, tomorrow we won't make a video?
Well, we'll make another video, but this will be the end of this video. Great plug, Liv. You should subscribe to our channel, guys.
You subscribe to our channel.